Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a quick video. This is my shop for the day, my customer's location. We're working on a Toyota 6 Series 4Y engine, which has misfire and loss of power. And here's why. It bent 2 push rods, and 2 of the valves on cylinder 1 were not working. As you can tell, they're pushed down. I'll show you here in a second. But you can tell all the rust that's in this forklift. The customer hasn't done maintenance on it in years, probably 5 years. So it's up to me to try to figure all this out. So I ended up replacing all the push rods, cleaning everything up. Look at the valve cover, how it is. I had to clean everything. Yeah, it was pretty bad. So I ended up fixing the problem. I was able to get both valves back up using penetrant and a bunch of persuasion. Luckily, they didn't get bent, but yeah.